Yeah, come on. Let me get Naomi first. Let's see you go down the slide, Nay. Go. Go, girl. Go. Your socks are already dirty. You've been walking on them all day. Go. Oh, that was boring. Oh, Mikey, you okay? Climb up there. No, climb up this way. No, climb up this way like Barry is doing. Okay, Barry, you gotta put this ball down.
Mommy, is that our house over there?
No, that's not our house.
Wait, go!